Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. Today's episode is all about sharing a tip from yours truly to a beginner in the filmmaking industry. Yay! Clap, 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 golf clap, golf clap with the microphone. Don't hit that too hard because that would just screw the audio up. Okay, so there's like a million, trillion, billion things to do as a filmmaker, and especially when you're starting out and you don't know where to begin. I will tell you to do the same thing as a filmmaker as my mother told me to do as a photographer, okay? Make a list of all of your favorite films that you love to watch. The kind of film that you could watch like over and over and over and over and over again to infinity and beyond. Just like that. And I want you to write down all the things that you love about those films. Brain dump. Don't think about it. Just write it all down. And then all the things that you don't love about those films and what you would do differently. And then I want you to make a top 10 list out of all of that. And then from there, employ those top 10 items of things that you like, things that you don't like. And I want you to execute on that. Do the things that you like in some of your films when you're getting started. The things that you don't like, don't do them. It's as simple as that. Don't do them. Do something different. Do it better. And it costs you no money whatsoever. None. Zip, zilch, zero, nada. No dollars. What about you guys out there in the field and in the studio? What do you guys do for, like, what would you impart upon a beginner that is coming up in the ranks in the filmmaking industry? Totally share downstairs in the kilt zone. It's a party down there in the kilt zone where the party always goes until 1 in the kilt zone. No, I know. That's right up there with that song that I asked you guys to figure out what I was doing and massacring. So I know, don't quit my day job. All right, let's wrap it up. That was like kind of a dry snap. It kind of works. It's raining, but it's a dry snap. It works. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365 for EPTV, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. Today's episode was all about what I can impart upon you newbies coming up in the ranks as filmmakers. And until next time, remember to like, comment, share, bell, ding dong, ravens. Oh yeah, and just for you, Mr. Pope, stay caffeinated. Aw yeah, and I'll see you soon. Woo, EPTV.
EBTV. EBTV.